You are one of the rising stars when it comes to innovation, especially in the area of energy. You're coming up with solutions that are geared towards helping people charge their phones, charge their laptops. What is it that you've done this far?
Starting out, I used to face challenges charging my phone. And while in the field, while at meetings, and I decided to solve the problem for my, and ended up coming up with a lot more solutions for the same problem, charging. So far, we've built a whole suite of energy solutions, including portable power banks like these. We've built portable power stations, and we're also building other solutions that basically charge devices. So we're also building an electric bicycle line, and basically to give you bicycles that are built for purpose. So if you commute, can we build a bicycle that can last you a whole day of commute, instead of trying to give you a bicycle that will run several days and needs either larger charging infrastructure. So we're trying to innovate around different products and find that people can use them easier, and people can access energy much faster and cheaper.
You spoke about how it started off with you. You had issues charging your phone, your laptop, and you decided to come up with a solution to that problem. But perhaps there are those people who say that's like a drop in the ocean. There are so many things that could be done in that space, but not much is being done. So what is it that you're doing that can help maybe bridge that gap?
For example, in Africa, we have a lot of blackouts, depending on the country you're in. But in Nigeria, they could last days or even hours. In Uganda, they could be about 2, 3, 5 hours at most. But these blackouts do happen, either because of infrastructure challenges or supply challenges.
When you talk about a power bank, what are you talking about? Is it, how big is it? And in terms of cost, how much does it cost for an ordinary person to purchase one of those?
They're about this small, and you basically plug them in directly into the phone. They cost about $8 or 30,000 Ugandan shillings. And they are basically being sold in retail or distributed through different distribution partners.
Let me do a quick follow-up on the cost issue. You said that it costs about $8 or 30,000 Ugandan shillings. How many people can afford that?
In the urban areas, you find that most of the affluent mobile phone users and active mobile phone users particularly are iPhone users, right? So you have an iPhone user who, if he was to buy a power bank, he can actually afford to pay 30,000 for a power bank. And we're basically using the high-end customers to pay for the development cost of the power bank, right? Because their need is much greater. You want to use your Snapchat, you want to log into a Zoom call, you want to pay for something using digital payments. Now, for the rural areas, what we've managed to do is we're partnering with a number of companies that are going to basically subsidize and distribute these devices, these power banks, to their customers.
How about when it comes to manufacturing? Do you manufacture these products in Uganda? Who funds you to do this?
We design the products in Uganda, but we manufacture from Asia. Why? Because it's a mass market product that we cannot really manufacture at scale locally. But our goal, of course, is to wean ourselves off the foreign manufacturing and bring that production in-house. We are increasingly getting to that breaking point where we are sacrificing scaling for sustainability.